Hey Kevin, tell everybody what today's objective is.
Today's objective is we came in on an easy path up to the creek here so we could get in here quickly, and now we're going to walk along the creek bed in for about a half an hour to an hour, about half a mile to a mile or so, looking for any kind of prints or any kind of evidence that way, and then blaze a new trail slowly back towards the car so we don't have to worry about being out here by sunset. We know we're heading in the same direction, but we're going in an area where nobody's ever gone before.
Well, we don't believe anybody's ever gone.
So we believe.
Right.
So I believe.
Now, it was on the other side of the creek where you went into that area that you said reminded you of Jurassic Park.
Yeah, the palmettos are over my head.
And you're 6'3".
Yeah, I got turned around in there. I barely got out of there before the sun set. I was able to find my mountain bike and get out of here before it started raining real hard. That was a good day.
And that's where you saw the big black pig that crossed the path?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About half the size of the road.
Yeah. God, Pigzilla, Hogzilla, whatever. All right. Okay, that's
should be a good day.
Yeah, it should be.
Not too hot. Cool weather seems to be.
Cold front's coming in. All right. All right.
Yummy escargot.
Kevin and I are along that river, and our theory was we encounter mud, which we have. Look how shallow that bank is. Or is that a bank? Is that a runoff? Yeah, that's what I mean. Let's see. Oxbow Lake. About 85 degrees. Bird sounds happy. See that bird? Kevin just crossed that. There he goes. I'm right here. There was some type of a mound structure thing.
Oh yeah? I see one over here too. Is it a structure or just a natural mound?
I don't know. I wanted to check it out. Look to turn your head to the left.
Yeah, I see it.
All right.
Where's the mound?
Just behind me. Damn phone's running dead. I'm gonna take another picture before the whole thing goes dead. Shit. We got a little bit of a disagreement here. He wants to go one way and I want to go the other. We don't really shit. Get off my phone. Alright. Let me just turn this off. Power off. What are you going to do, Kevin? Knew what direction I was. Here's that landmark thing I was coming from, because I know you often.
Goes that way.
I know you often get turned around and get.
Oopsie.
Oh shit! All right.
Yep, the pearls.
'Cause I know you easily get lost, and we don't want you to get turned around and.
Yes, I do get lost quite easily, don't I?
Here's the way. You know, this may all look the same to you folks, but when you have the experience that we have out here, you just go through it and you just know where to go. Your mind makes a mental stamp of it. That's something you can't learn by reading something. You have to just get out and experience it. The game trail's over here.
Hold on, I'm gonna find it.
All right, here's the clearing. Okay, there's that leaned over tree. I think you were near that.
Yeah, here it is.
But I know you were behind it, and this is the game trail here. Told you we'd find it, folks, and all that.
That's why I sliced my hand.
Be careful. What'd you cut your hand on?
This right here, because I was coming through too fast.
Sorry. Hello? I thought I heard somebody's voice.
See something come through here.
Version of winter. There he comes.
I bet you could put this full of water in there somewhere.
Oh, try to get out here in the middle of July.
Never.
Yeah, we learned the hard way. Do not, during the summer, put trail cams on cypress trees. Find a nice scrub pine area. Oh!
Right?
Yeah. No better than this tree was. I don't think any humans have ever been out here, Kevin.
Not for a long time.
No. But the monster may have. It's the kind of work we got to put in, man. That sun's starting to make its way over to the west, sort of southwest.
That's the way back to the car.
Yeah.
Eventually we have to arc over.
You know, we don't walk into... I don't think we're going to find any more thick swamp out here.
I don't think so either.
Hear that hawk?
Yep.
I know right where he's at. That might have been the one I videotaped. Okay.